Hi everyone, it's Kendra here, and today I'm going to be demonstrating how to teach the order of operations by using the acronym PEMDAS. There's a helpful tool to help remember PEMDAS, and that is the saying, "Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally." This is a great way to remember what order you need to pay attention to each operation. The P in PEMDAS stands for parentheses, the E for exponents, the M for multiplication, D for division, A for addition, and S for subtraction. So, like stated previously, our first step in the order of operations is paying attention to parentheses. Using this example, 20 plus 5 minus 6 squared times 2, we're going to pay close attention to the parentheses first. So just taking what's in the parentheses and solving it, it's 20 plus 5, which equals 25. So you're going to take that 25 and plug it back into the original equation. So now we're at 25 minus 6 squared times 2. The second step of PEMDAS is paying attention to exponents. So going back to that equation that we used previously, the only number with an exponent is minus 6 squared. So we already know what's inside these parentheses right here, so that's 25. 6 squared, by using our knowledge of math already, is 36, so that turns into 25 minus 36, and then just carry down the times 2. Now, our third step of the order of operations is multiplication and division. So there's no division in this specific equation, so we're just going to pay attention to multiplication. So using what we already know from this equation, we have 25 minus 36 times 2. So we're going to be paying attention to the negative 36 times 2, carrying the 25 down, and now we're at 25 minus 72. Just as a quick tip when dealing with the order of operations and multiplication and division, if there is both, even though there isn't in this specific example, then you're simply going to go from the left of the equation to the right. So with this equation right here, since there is multiplication right here and division right here, we're going to multiply negative 36 first by 2. And then we're going to divide by 12 because we're going from the left to the right. And step 4 for the order of operations is paying attention to addition and subtraction. Using that same equation from before, we already know that inside the parentheses we have 25, then we have minus 36, then we have times 2. That's simplified down to 25 minus 72. And using subtraction as our final step, we get a final answer of negative 47. As another quick tip, when dealing with addition and subtraction, it's the same thing as multiplication and division. Just simply look at the equation from the left to the right to find out which to do first. So, like the equation that we were using before, it did not have addition and subtraction. So using this example right here, there's subtraction right here, and then there's addition right here. So you would do 6 squared, 25 minus 6 squared first, since it's from the left to the right, and then add 18. That is the end of my demonstration for the order of operations. I hope you enjoyed and you learned something. Thanks.